Hi, I'm Madison with Forest River in the Cherokee Division, and we're here to talk about the Juice Pack that comes standard from the pup on up. The Juice Pack includes a battery, a solar panel, and the charge controller. What this does is it allows you to use your refrigerator without having to be connected to shore power. Your solar panel is giving a trickle charge to your battery so that you don't have to be connected. While you're traveling down the road to your destination, your battery is being charged by your tow vehicle, but once you get there, the solar panel will take over. Whether you have your battery disconnect engaged or not, you're still going to get that trickle charge. For more information on other features, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/Cherokee.